Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up a safe virtual machine environment using VMware. We'll cover what virtualization is and how to create a virtual machine and basic security practices to keep your system protected. First of all, if you don't have this file, download it into your Chrome or in your Google. Then, if you download it, go to your file and the next step is navigate your file and open it. When it's done, go to your VMware and create virtual machine. Click create a new virtual machine, then select an ISO file for your guest operating systems, such as Windows or Linux. Assign memory carefully enough for smooth performance, then create the virtual hard disk. Then, finish the setup provided by the VMware. If you've done finishing up your virtual machine, go to your Windows and press the account settings. Then go into your account settings and find your info and back up for your information. Then check your Windows update if applicable. Then next, go to your window and search firewall for a security and etc. Lastly, go to your Windows, search disk and find the view backup options. With this proper setup and security practices, VMware let you test and explore safely without risking your main system. Thank you for watching.